When I saw this kid when he was just about 9 years old, and he was, knocking the ball in the stadium, and I just called him and his father. I said, this kid is blessed because certain people are born to play the game. So I requested his dad that I would like to bring him under my wings.
So the passion was there from Manan as well as coach. He was the guy who, he made him passionate. He made him understand that you are a very talented cricketer, you are a very talented boy. Only thing is we have to work hard.
He eats cricket. He sleeps cricket. He just talks cricket, and he just think of nothing else.
किसी ने मुझसे पूछा था कि कोच क्या होता है? You have to spend a lifetime. So you have to love your kid. You have to give your life for your student. It's not about going to the ground for 8 hours, 10 hours. It's about after the game how they go mentally. So it's all about nursing the child. I think that was important.
He told me to make a practice ground on the first floor of my house. So people were very surprised. It was only 20 yards, and we made a pitch with a proper nets and all that, and we put lights. And there, Mr. Yogaraj Singh and Manan, they used to practice for hours and hours, sometimes 11:30, 12 o'clock at night. And that was, and one or two times he got injured there playing with plastic balls. It was his helmet broke, and people said no, he will not play cricket. But within 15 days, he was back on the ground.
तो इसकी एक हमेशा खूबी रही है कि बाउंस बैक बहुत तगड़ा करता है. मतलब अगर इसको जितना आप रोकोगे उतना बाहर निकलेगा.
उस टाइम मैंने देखा कि आई वाज जस्ट 16, बट देखा कि एक लड़के में इतनी डिटर्मिनेशन, इतना गेम के लिए पैशन उस टाइम जिनके साथ मैं खेला हूँ अपने लेवल में नहीं था. रन मारने की भूख थी.
From there on, we knew that the greatness is there. I still remember Manan's parents used to come, and he excelled in studies as well. That's the biggest thing. Along with his cricketing career, he used to go out to a lot of tournaments, but his marks never went down in any subject whatsoever.
I think he's one of the most disciplined and most dedicated guy. He never went wrong. The only thing I wanted to take something out of his life was what I did with UV was to take the fear of failure and the fear of dying. So bringing him to the edge of life. So even there are times when he's been hit across, he's been hit in the ribs, his eye, he's been bleeding. And he suddenly saw this blood coming out and started crying and took off his helmet and gave him one across his face. You bloody well go and get your stitches done and come back and bat. So that's the way you bring up a kid, the fearless kid in life.
He never takes a holiday, he never takes a, full day off. Even if it is a Sunday, he'll be working in the gym or he'll go for a run, or he will call boys at home who will be bowling at him and he'll be practicing. So it is a different. I think he's quite focused for his age.
I remember once when we were in DAV college, and this guy was just about 13 years old, and he had just got 172 runs in one of the under 16 games. And I wanted to take him to DAV college on the matting, and with all those classic first-class fast bowlers bowling to him. And that was a time when he got this 134 runs on that lethal pace attack, 13 years old kid playing. That was a moment of my life. And I thought, yeah, God, man, here it is,
And he's a great icon for the youngsters over here, as I said before. They're learning, they look up to him, and the way he's contributing to the team is really remarkable. This year, I think he was one of the highest run getters for Kings 11 Punjab, in spite of other stars in the team. So that shows his capability and the way he uses his batting prowess.
The moment, Mr. Yogaraj Singh came from America, so he came to our house. So the first thing he told Manan was, Manan, no bowler has got you out in the last 1.5 years. You have given the wicket. So we have to change that.
आज तक मैंने मनन बॉलर को कभी आउट करते नहीं देखा कि he's got a very good ball, maybe once in a while. But all the time he is throwing his wicket. This is something which Yuvraj also used to do. So I think both classic players in my life, one is a right-hander, one was a left-hander. But Manan and Yuvi are two very parallel because they're fearless people.
Long time back, I had a very, straightforward talk with him. Manan, what do you want to do? He belongs to a business family, like I am a businessman. He said, Papa, I want to play cricket. I told him, okay. Before 12th exams, suppose tomorrow is the exam, and day 4, he came from Bombay after playing under 19. He landed up. Like, you won't be able to give the exam tomorrow. I said, no, Papa, I'll appear. And he appeared, and he scored around 72% in +2. I think, good enough.
And now here we have a great cricketing icon for the youth of our area. And I wish him all success to be in the Indian team very, very soon.
रणजी ट्रॉफी में इसने 180 कुछ समथिंग की एक दिन में. फिर उसके बाद अब आईपीएल, आपने करंट ये पीछे आईपीएल देखा, कितना सीज़न इसने बहुत मेहनत करी, उसका फल मिला इसको. और अब इंडिया ए के लिए इसका नाम आया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया गया. तो होप सो क्या होना, जो भगवान ने मतलब इसकी मेहनत अब रंग लाई. इंडिया में इसका नाम अब आप जल्दी इंडिया की टीम में देखेंगे.
It has been my dream. I have told his coach, Mr. Yogaraj, I want to see him represent the country.
We wish Kings 11 Punjab, Manan in his innings, all the best for the future.